Okay, I will start the recording now. Okay, then what exactly they have asked us? No, no, no. Shall I move for this? Okay, then is it audible to all of you? Exactly audible? Just put into the chat box if it is audible. Okay, okay, good. Thank you. Then what exactly the question is? Case study or for they have asked it for case study, that too for 15 marks. Okay, and okay, 15 marks ಗೊತ್ತದ case study ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a compulsory questions ಇರ್ತದ ನೋಡೋಣ. Then Mr. Malinga ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ Malinga Pirki, ha, okay. Then Mr. Malinga, a cricketer of Sri Lanka, provides you the following information for the previous year 2019-20. 2019-20 ಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಲಿಂಗ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ವೆದರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆ. Okay, these are the informations. These six are the informations. ಇವು ಆರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಆರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗ. ಮುಂದ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. The first one is income. Okay, it's agriculture income from Sri Lanka. Agriculture income from Sri Lanka, rupees 60,000. Agriculture income from Sri Lanka. Okay, that is 60,000, of which half amount is received. What will be the answer? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು? Agriculture income from Sri Lanka, rupees 60,000, of which half amount is received in India. Good. Revan Siddha, exactly correct answer. Revan Siddha is giving the correct answer. See here, Swapna Masuti and everyone, first talai itgore, only 30,000 received in India. ಅಂದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ 30,000 ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು? ಓನ್ಲಿ 30,000. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್. ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಮೂರು ಮಂದಿಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Exactly correct. Then what should be the answer now? The answer should be like this. Answer should be like this. What should be the answer? Answer should be like this. First again baritirile, agriculture income, agriculture barkobakpa, agriculture income received, agriculture income received. Okay, agriculture income from Sri Lanka. Okay, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ received in India, received in India. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು 1000 ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾರ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗಿರು? 30,000. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, 30,000 ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 3 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 30,000. ಗುಡ್, 30,000. ಶಬಾಷ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30,000. Okay, then what about other received outside India la? ಉಳ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಏನದಲ್ಲ 60,000 ದೋಗ 30,000 is received outside India. Yes or no? Yes or no? Chat box do agree if it is yes. Good. Revan Siddha has given the correct answer. Only for the resident only. Good. Then ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Received outside India ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲಿಂಕ್ ದೇರ್. ಏನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದವ. ಹೌದು, ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 30,000 ಹಿಯರ್. ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಏನಾರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದ, ಏನಾರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದ ಏನು? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಉಳ್ಕಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಉಳ್ಕಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಆದ್ರ ಒಂತಲ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಓ ಆರ್ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು, ಮಲಿಂಗ ಏನದನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ವಿ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, then first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, we should answer some questions. What the answer questions we are having, determine the taxable, determine the taxable. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? Is it audible and visible? Good. Determine the taxable income of Malinga, a Sri Lankan cricketer. ಏನಿದಾನಂತಮ್ಮ, ಈಸ್ ಅ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್, ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡೋದಂತ. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಓಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಫಾರ್ 100 days ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 2005, 2005ರಿಂದ, 2005ರಿಂದ ಜನವರಿ 2005 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು, 2004 and 2005. Yes or no? Say if it is yes. If it is yes, correct? Okay. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವರ್ಷ 100 ದಿನ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತನಂತ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಲಿಂಗ ಇಫ್ he is coming to India for 100 days? 100 days ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನದ ಅದು, ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ 100 days. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ರೋ? ತಿಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಥಿಂಗ್? he is coming to India 100 days, correct? Okay, in the next case the, okay, will your answer be different? nim answer different ಆಗ್ತತನಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ, will your answer be different if, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಲಿ, will your answer be different if he has been coming to India for 110 days? ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಕೇಸ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು, he is coming to India for 100 days, correct? every year from 2004 and 5, correct? Any confusion? Raise your hand if it is you are having the confusions. Put into the chat box, we'll solve the confusion, don't worry, correct? ಒಂದನೇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 100 days ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನದ ಅಂತ, ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೇನೋ, ಇಫ್ he is coming for 110 days every year, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೇನೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನದ, 110 days every year from 2004 and 5. Any confusion? Do you have any confusion? No. Then whether your answer going to be changed, third case kotano ಏನಂತ, what will be the total income if the Malinga comes to India only 50 days for every year? ಓನ್ಲಿ 50 ದಿನ, 50 days ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗೆ ಬಂದ. if he is coming to India for only for 50 days every year, then whether your answer is going to be changed, yes or no? teeth pakka? Okay, now what we have to do, We have to calculate what we have to do. We have to calculate residential status of Malinga. Malinga and residential status and calculate madbek now. Heng residential status and calculate madtare already you have calculated. In calculate madbeku, there are basic conditions. Yes, basic conditions adavu 1 and 2. There are additional conditions. Yes, additional conditions adavu 1 and 2. Then 1 or 2 satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು, 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು, and 1 and 2 satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು. Yes or no? ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು, 1 satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು, 2 satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತ okay, then he should satisfy one first additional condition, second condition, then only he is going to become resident on ordinarily resident. Yes or no? Okay, then if we have two conditions satisfy madililla andre he will become non resident. You satisfy madida but you satisfy madlilla andre he will become non resident but not ordinarily resident. Pakka? Any confusion? Do you have any confusion? Raise your hand if it is yes, if you understood this problem. Hand raise madri. If you have any problem, just put it into the chat box. Okay. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? First inch calculate madoku basic condition apply madri. One conditions. One denada he is coming every year for 100 days. There are ವರ್ಷ 100 days ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತನಂತಾವ. Then first ನೇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 2019 and 20. Yes days ಇದನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗ 100 days. ದರ ವರ್ಷ 100 days ಬಂದನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷನು 100 days ಆತು. Yes or no? Okay. You can ask the question in Kannada also. Don't hesitate. Okay. Then 2018 and 19 ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು days ಇದನಪ್ಪ? 100 days ಇದನ. Yes or no? 2017 and 18 ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು days ಇದನ? 100 days ಇದನ. 2016 and 17 yes days idana 100 days idana. 2015 and 16 yes days idana 100 days idana. Yes or no? Please put it into the chat. Okay, chat box please. 2014 and 15 doga how many days is in India? 100. Then 2013 and 14 doga how many days is in India? 100. Then hangandre 2005 tana 2004 and 5 tananu how many days he is in India? 100. Illi tananu ella year 100 days idana. Yes or no? Any confusion? Any confusion? No confusions. Now whether he is going to satisfy the basic condition or not. First basic condition in he should be in India for 182 days. Yes or no? Yes, but he failed to satisfy first basic condition. First basic condition enittu 182 days ittu failed. Edukada he is in India for only 100 days. Yes or no? Yes, we should apply second rule. What the second rule we are having? 60 plus 365 days in 4 preceding previous year. Yes or no? Correct? Okay, then first ನೇದು ಏನದ 16 previous year. Yes, he is in India for 60. Then ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತವ first ನೇ 60 satisfied ಮಾಡಿದ. But 4 preceding previous year, 1 preceding previous year, 2nd preceding previous year, 3rd preceding previous year, 4th preceding previous year. This is the 4th preceding previous year. He should be in India for how much days? Put into the chat box. How much days he should be in India in 4 preceding previous year? 365. 365. Okay, but he is in India for how much days? Yes dina idana India dolage iga 400 days idana. Illi nodrile 400 days idana. Illi vastu kudisidre 400 ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ. Good, he is in India for 400 days. 400 days andre enatava he satisfied basic condition. He has become a resident adiga. He has become a resident. Now in check madako whether he is a resident or non-resident, whether he is a resident, ordinary resident or non-resident, whether he is a resident or ordinary resident. T tostrigu Pakka? Okay. Now, what are the additional conditions we are having? What are the additional conditions we are having? First, he should be in India for, he should be resident for 10 preceding previous year. ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ 10 preceding previous year resident ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲವ, ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನ. ಹೌ? ಈ 2018 and 19 ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಆಗ್ತಾನ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಯರ್ ತೀಲಿಗತದ. ಓಕೆ, first how to calculate the residential status 10 preceding previous year ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ದೆನ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 2018 and 19 ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೋ ಇಲ್ಲವ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್? he was not in India for 182 days, but he is in India for 60 days and 365 days. Yes or no? 60 days and 365 days. Then he fulfilled the second condition. He has become the resident for first year. Then same hinge second ku ಆಗ್ತಾನ? Yes or no? Chat box do hakri. If you are having any confusion, put into the chat box. Yes or no? Raise your hand if it is yes. Okay, he will become the resident for this also. He will become a resident for this also. He will become the resident of this also. Yes or no? Okay, then he satisfied the first condition. First condition satisfy madida. First condition satisfy madida. Yes or no? He satisfied first condition. Next yav condition check ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು? Second condition. What is the second condition we are having? He should be in India for 730 days in 7 preceding previous year. 7 preceding previous year ಯಾವುದು? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. 2012 and 13. ಇದು 100 days ಅನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 7 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗಿದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 7 preceding previous year ದೊಳಗವ? How many days he is in India for 7 preceding previous year? Fast. Good, Yashwant Rai Gowda. How many days he is in India for 7 preceding previous year? 7 preceding previous year ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು 700 ಆತು. Whether he satisfied the second basic and second additional condition, put into the chat box. Whether he has satisfied second additional condition, put into the chat box. Yes or no? If he satisfied, not sir. Kavya, correct. No, no, correct. Yashwant Rai Gowda Patil, correct. Not satisfied, correct. Why he has not satisfied? He is in India for 7 preceding previous year only for 700 days. But the condition says that he should be in India for 730 days. Then what he has become? Yenadava? What is the residential status of Malinga in the case of first case? If he is coming to India for 100 days, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ chat box ನೋ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. What will be the status of Malinga in the case of first? Put into the chat box first. First resident adava after satisfying the condition. Okay, then basic condition though resident agana, then resident ada. But erdu additional condition satisfy madindenava illa. Only one first condition satisfy madida. Andre enagtava? Resident but not ordinarily resident. Yes or no? Okay, please put into the chat box. Okay, give your answer in the chat box, then only you will be okay. You are going to learn that what will be the answer of his. Only 5 to 6 members are responding me. Okay, correct. Manjunath Dasha is the correct. RNOR correct. Swapna Masuti is correct. All of you put into the okay. Okay, then andre enatu first one case dolaga on one case he has become RNOR. Yes or no? Any confusion? Do you have any confusion? Inner confusion adavon nimga? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. If you are having any confusion, I am going to solve it now. Okay. Shall I move to the next one? Next move agli. Okay. Then second question in Ketanava, what he has asked the second question, go to the second question. Second question though again nodrile, what he has asked for the second question. Okay. In nodri. Will your answer be different? Will your answer be different if he has been coming to India 110 days every year? Every year ಅವೇನಾರ 110 days ಬಂದಂದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೇನೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ 110 days ಬಂದಂದ್ರ if he is coming to India for 110 days whether our answer is going to be different. We'll check now. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ you are okay, you are going to put 110 110 110 110 110 110 110 110. Yes or no? Okay. Now definitely he will be resident. Why? 100 ಇದ್ದಾಗ resident ಆಗ್ಯಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 100 ಇದ್ದಾಗ resident ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 110 ಇದ್ದಾಗೂ resident ಆಗ್ತಾನ then he is going to satisfy again the second condition, basic condition. Yes or no? Raise your hand if it is yes. In the case of 100 he has satisfied the second basic condition. Definitely he will not satisfy the first basic condition that he should be in India for 182 days. Definitely he is not in India for 182 days. 182 days India dolagillava, but he is in India for 60 plus 365 days. Yes or no? 60 plus 365 days ಇದಾನವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಇದಾನ more than 60 ಇದಾನ and 4 preceding previous year more than 440 days idana, then he satisfied 365 days the condition also, then he has become the resident. Yes or no? Correct aitilpa tamgula? Chat box do akri if it is yes. Definitely Kavya Patar, it's a 440 days. Good. Then he has become the resident here. Then one and resident ada. Okay, resident ada taligit shobadri. Then ನೇಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು additional condition. Additional condition ಏನಿರ್ತದ he should be in at least ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ first additional condition ಏನದ 2-year resident for 10 preceding previous year. Definitely he will become the resident. ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 days ಇದ್ದೊಳಗ resident ಆಗ್ಯಾನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ resident ಆಗ್ತಾನವ. He is going to become a resident here also. Yes or no? Then he has satisfied the first condition. Yes or no? Raise your hand if it is yes. He has satisfied first additional condition. Okay. Then what is the second condition we are having? 730 days in 7 preceding previous year. 7 preceding previous year ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದೊಳಗ. How many days he is in India for the 7 preceding previous years? How many days he is in India for 7 preceding previous year? 770 days. 770 days. 770 days. Then he has satisfied the second one also. He has satisfied the second one also. Yes or no? Okay. Then what is the status? What is the status of Malinga in the case of second case? What is the status of Malinga in the second case? Good. Ishwant Rai Gowda Patil, correct answer. Kavya, correct answer. ROR. Why it's ROR? he has become a resident after satisfying the first basic condition, and he is also satisfied first additional condition and second additional condition also. Then he has become ROR. Yes or no? Raise your hand if it is yes. Good, 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 good. Then hangandre ಏನದ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನದ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದವ ಹೌದು. ದೆನ್ ಮೂರನೇ ಹೋಗುನು, ಮೂರನೇ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಯದ ನೋಡುನು, ಹೋಗುನ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ಹೋಗುನ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗುನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುನು, ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಮೂರನೇದು ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನ ಯಶವಂತ ರಾಯಗೌಡ? Third condition non-resident, exactly correct. ಯಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನ? Directly he is in India for only 50 days. Yes or no? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, he is in India for third case doga, he is in India for only 50 days. Okay, then you no need to check other conditions. ಯಾವುದು condition satisfy ಆಗುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. First of all, he failed to satisfy the first condition. He failed to satisfy the first condition that he should be in India for 182 days. Idin condition satisfy madlilla. Second condition enada? Basic condition, he should be in India for 60 and 365 in the preceding previous year. 60 dinanu illa andra he is the non-resident directly. Yes or no? Answer ಹೇಳ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. Okay, Manjunath Dasha, correct answer. What's ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Manjunath Dasha is the correct answer. Okay, good. Akshata Unnur, NOR, correct. Non-ordinarily resident agudilla Mukesh. Not ordinarily resident alla. NR ಆಗ್ತಾನವ. NOR agudilla Kavya. Is not going to be the NOR. NOR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Not ordinarily resident ಅಂದಂಗ. No. He is the NR. NR ಹೆಂಗ? Non-resident ಅವ. Directly basic condition satisfy ಮಾಡುದಿಲ್ಲ. He will become a non-resident. If he has satisfied the basic condition, he will become the resident. Then you can apply the additional conditions. Basic condition satisfy madilla andre he will become a non-resident. Yadaka fail to satisfy basic conditions, both the basic conditions. Tritu, raise your hand if it is yes. Good. Okay, then hangandre ಏನತ್ತು ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನದವ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕೇಸ್ ROR ಅದ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದ NR ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? Yes or no? Raise your hand fast. Okay, then ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಈಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಚಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಮುಗಿತ್ಲಾ? ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಒಂದನೇ ಕೇಸ್ ದೊಳಗ okay, firstನೇ ಕೇಸ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನದವ? What he has become in the first case? What is the first case? This is the third case, correct? This is the first case, this is the second case. Yes or no? Raise your hand first. Okay, good, good, good. And last one question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ, do you think that incidence of tax dependent on the residential status? Incidence of tax residential status ಮೇಲೆ dependent ಅದೇನು? Yes. Yes or no? Chat box no ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. Do you think that residential incidental tax residential status ಮೇಲೆ dependent ಅದೇನು? Yes. Yes or no? Chat box na ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರನ? Then if yes, prove it ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಗೊತ್ತಾತ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತತ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60,000 ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 ಬಂತು. Yes or no? Okay, then it's a homework to all of you that I will send the I will send this problem, just solve it and send it to me. Martare, raise your hand if it is yes. Raise your hand if it is yes. I will send this to in the group, just solve it and send it to my personal number. Okay. Shall I? Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye all of you. We'll see in next class.